We're gonna start this video off with a moment of silence for my uncolored black natural hair. All right, now let's get to the video. Hey y'all, it's BloomingAzaleas back with another video. And I'm gonna be real with you. I do not regret coloring my hair, but baby, for the lazy naturals out there, think twice, think 3 times, because we need some work, okay? My hair is not even a little dry. It's really dry. Like, I already have high porosity hair. It just made it more high porosity, so it is dry, okay? I also want to plug in that I kind of ran out of my hair products too. So now that we've all re-upped, we're gonna do a deep condition and a protein treatment on my hair to see if we can revive it, okay? Let's bring it back to life. All right, so let's start off with the products that I will be using. These are not new, they're not something special. This is all the stuff that everybody already knows about. I'm just showing you what I'm putting on my head. So first thing I'll be using is the AphoGee 2-step protein treatment. That's a oldie but goodie. It comes with a balancing moisturizer. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but I mean, it's connected on there, so I mean, why not? Let's get it. I have 2 of those because, you know, hair. And then I also have the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. And then I got a hot oil treatment because when I tell you it was dry, we putting in all the works, okay? And I'll also be using a deep conditioner. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay, so the deep conditioner I've used this like the last 3 or 4 times I've deep conditioned my hair, is the Cantu deep treatment. I like it, I love it, I'm gonna use it. So I'll be putting all of those things in my hair in the shower after I wash it. And we gonna see, hopefully. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's definitely a lot crunchier than it was before I dyed it. So I already knew that it's gonna take a little bit more effort with color treated hair. So now it's just up to me to put in the effort. I gotta get at the laziness. Quarantine is not helping, but I gotta stop being lazy. For those that know me, you better screen record it because it's the only time you're gonna ever hear me say it, okay? So as we all know, first step is always sectioning it off. I normally do 2 sections, but for this dryness, 4 sections it is. So I had to separate it into 4 sections so that I can get all of the hair. Smelling my products so good. That Keratin reconstructor smells so good. Okay, so I always start off combing my hair out first before I shampoo it. Maui is my shampoo of choice. I love how moisturizing it is. I pulled through it a couple times, rinse it, add the conditioner. Boom, simple. I only wash 1 time, so keep it moving. Once I've added the conditioner and keratin treatment, I put my hair in 1 big twist, bun it, and go on to the next section, section 2. We'll just repeat that same process on the front section, comb it out, shampoo, mixing the deep conditioner with the keratin reconstructor, putting it on my hair and twisting it. Filming in the shower was really awkward. Nobody told me that. There was literally water everywhere. It was a tsunami in my bathroom. Anyways, okay, so now that all 4 sections are done, we're gonna move on. I'm gonna rinse and add the 2-step protein treatment. That one does not smell so good. So apparently it's supposed to go on by itself, not mixed with others. So we'll be rinsing the deep conditioner and keratin reconstructor and getting out and adding the protein treatment that I'm doing now. The protein treatment product is very watery. It is very watery consistency. So it's like it's not even anything on my hair. So now that that is all on there, we will let it dry for a while, come back and rinse, and let's talk about it. You know, y'all, it's really important to read all the instructions. You know, as a teacher, you think I would know that. We tell the kids all the time, read the instructions all the way through before you start. I didn't do that until I'd already started. So I read the instruction. Protein treatment was supposed to go by itself. This was an adventure. I just want y'all to know that this whole process was an adventure, and I'm tired. So read the instructions first. Protein treatment had to go by itself. It's supposed to dry, no shower cap, all that. So I washed it out, and y'all, it did wonders. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, my curls were like good afterwards. I had to put in the balancing moisturizer to counteract it, to bring back the softness, which I did not like the smell, so I mixed it with my conditioner that goes in my shampoo. But you know, I'm always mixing something. I can't always follow the directions as they're supposed to go, you know. I mixed those, and I put in my hair, I showered, and I rinsed them. I also did it with the oil treatment. I put that on there too. Why nobody told me that they have oil treatments that when you rub your hands together get hot? I'm thinking I'm having an allergic reaction in the shower, and it's the oil. Nobody told me that. Note taken, okay? Now, my rant is over. I'm going to put my products in so that I can get my hair ready for my twist out. Okay. I do follow the LOCO method. I do my leave-in, which is my African Pride leave-in. Love this stuff. My hair soaks it up. It's a little watery, but soaks it up. It loves it. I use a lot of this. And then my cream is coconut curls. It's like a butter. It's thicker. It also says leave-in, but it's butter. It's thick. I also like to use, if I don't have this, I like to use Maui. They have a really good shea butter. Love that one too. And for my oil, or I like to use grease, it gotta be thick on my hair. I use this Lock and Firm wax, which I use for box braids, and it is so moisturizing. I love this stuff. If I don't use this, then I use old school Blue Magic grease. Yes, keep it simple. If it worked back then, it worked now. All right, so I'm gonna put that in my hair. Normally that would be how I finish. That's my wash and go, done. But for this particular time, I'll wrap it up, and I'm gonna record my twist out video for you. Look at that. Look at it. Yes, yes. So let's speed this bad boy up. So, like I already said, I do my leave-in first. Put that all over my head, and I use a lot of that. Then I put the cream or the butter, and then I top it off with the sealant, which is my grease. Yes, look at those curls popping. Okay, so I've put all the product on my hair, and it is not as dry. I think what really made a difference was the protein treatment, bomb.com. But as we all know, color treated hair is a little bit harder to maintain than non-color treated hair, which we already knew. If you don't take anything else from this video, read the directions first, okay? Always read all the directions before you even start the process. 1. 2, protein treatments go by themselves, and you're supposed to sit under the dryer so that they can harden, and then rinse them out. Okay. Also, when your protein treatment is hard, do not manipulate your hair because it'll snap. All right. Didn't happen to mine, but I know it'll happen. 3, don't decide to do your deep condition, your keratin treatment, your protein treatment, and your oil treatment all on the same day. Smart. Be smart. Be smarter than me. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay. These are my results. I'm pretty happy with it. I think I will end up trimming it just a little bit to get some of those unruly ends, but my hair is just unruly, so that's what it do. I can't even be mad at it. So don't forget to like, leave a comment, tell me if you think there's anything else I should do to get my hair back to life. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next video with my twist out. Hey, with my twist